What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm out here at Bush Terminal Park, and I just want to do a range test with the Mavic Air. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where people actually test the range of the Mavic Air out in the country, in Hawaii and things like that, but nobody actually tested out in New York City. Now, I'm not going to do it over buildings because there's a lot of Wi-Fi signals and interference, so I'm going to try it over the water here. As you guys can see, a lot of water. Now, it's a little foggy, but I'm gonna try to have the screen recording on my phone, and I'm also gonna have the actual footage captured from the drone, and I'm gonna see how far we can actually get this baby out and see how far she can fly. So let's get into that. Alright guys, so that did not go well. Apparently, I thought I charged my batteries a few days ago, but apparently I guess they lost some charge, and yeah, I was only able to make it out to about 3,500 feet. I'm pretty sure I can get a lot further than that on a full charge, so I'll probably have to try this again tomorrow. We'll try it again tomorrow. Alright guys, so we are back out here. This is day 2 of me trying to actually do this flight test. Now, my batteries I made sure are fully charged, 100%, or close to it. Remote is recharged and everything, but yes, we are back out at Bush Terminal Park to actually try and see how far the Mavic Air can get out and see how far it can actually go on a single charge. Hopefully I don't come close to losing my drone like I did yesterday, but all right, so let's get into it. All right guys, so we're all set, and I'm about to put this guy up in the air. Got the control and everything set. All right, let's go. All right, so right now we're hovering at 30 feet, and we have 92% battery. You want to see how far we can get with the 92% battery? All right, so head straight out. All right, so we're approaching 600 feet, and we're flying at about 80 feet up. All right, we have about 3 bars on the 2.4 gigahertz connection, and again, this flies with enhanced Wi-Fi. We're at about 1,500 feet away. All right, and I'm feeling like I have the wind a little bit behind my back, so we want to be careful with coming back, because we don't want the battery to be drained and not be able to make it back, guys. So yeah, so we're at about 2,400 feet now. This is actually doing pretty well. And 84% battery. 84% battery, guys. And we're flying at about 18 miles per hour out. And we're about 80 feet above, so I'm gonna just increase the altitude a little bit to get above these boats. I'm gonna go up to about 150 feet up. All right, so we're about 155 feet up, and we're about 4,200 feet out. That's pretty damn good. And I have about 3 to 4 bars on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Not bad at all. We're at about 77% battery. $5,000 feet out, guys. 5,000 feet out. That's insane. Wow. 6,000 feet, guys. 6,000 feet. This thing is out there. All right, I'm starting to get a little nervous. So around 7,000 feet, I'm gonna make my way back. All right, guys, we're at 7,000 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and make the way back. Hit the return to home button. I'm just gonna go ahead and push that speed up by myself here. And we're gonna make our way back. Brought the altitude down a little bit to get rid of that crosswind. And see, this is why I came back early, because it looks like we're flying back at about 15 miles per hour. So we were headed out at about, what, 18 miles per hour. So the wind is kind of taking down our speed a little bit, but we should be fine. We're at 64% battery, so we should be okay. I'm gonna bring the altitude down to about 100 feet up to again alleviate some of that wind. All right, so I'm at about 110 feet, and now it looks like we're doing about 16 miles per hour. So, and we're at about 60% battery on our way back. So remember, that would be 7,000 feet out, 7,000 feet back, so that's about 14,000 feet. I'm not sure how many miles that is, or if that is even a mile, but I'll have it, you'll see it pop up on the screen right about now anyway, so. Yeah, she's doing her dang on thing, guys. She's doing a dang on thing here, making her way back. We're at about 3,800 feet. Head speed about 13 miles per hour. Signal was great the entire duration. Actually, to a point where we turned around and was on our way back, that it started to lose connection a little bit. No jitters on the screen or anything like that, but yeah, it just popped up with a weak signal, but it was fine. It was flawless. We're at about 2,700 feet and headed this way at 14 miles per hour. And we're at about 51% battery. And it looks like it came back a little bit off. I blame the remote. I ain't blaming the pilot. Nah, I blame the pilot. DJI drones are amazing. This little Mavic Air is such a beast and it's so underrated. A lot of people were comparing the camera to better than the actual original Mavic. But yeah, so this camera is amazing. And it's at about 1,700 feet and we're at 46% battery, so we should be fine actually making our way back. Amazing, 42%. We're at about 800 feet away. All right, let's bring her down. Ah, there you are. You little crapper, you are amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Geek Source family if you haven't already. All right, and again, this was just a test of the Mavic Air to see how far we can get and generally urban area here in New York City. All right, because we've been seeing videos of people in these rural areas out in the country, and there you go. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.